Hello and welcome to the iGaming channel. Today our video is about how to start an iGaming affiliate business. I started my first iGaming affiliate business back in 2004, since which time I've bought and sold white label casinos. I've been one of the UK's biggest affiliates for a few years, and I've also been featured in various iGaming affiliate magazines such as the GPWA Times, IGB Affiliate, Trafficology, Gambling Insider, and such like. So if you want to start making money online, promoting casinos or sports betting platforms, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to launch your iGaming affiliate business from scratch, step by step. So the first thing you need to do is pick your focus, pick your niche. The niches in gaming are casino, sportsbook, bingo, poker, and social gaming. From my experience, the most money is in casino and sportsbook, sports betting affiliates. So I'm going to focus on those. So in the casino space, if you're going to pick your niche, you could really focus on a particular game, such as slots, blackjack, roulette, baccarat. Slots are by far the most popular game at online casinos, so that would be a good place to start. You could also focus on table games, live casino games, live dealers. The thing with casino, it has a huge audience. Casino gambling is very popular, and the long-term earning potential is massive with casino because people can lose a lot of money in a short space of time, critically speaking. So there's a lot of money to be earned. The value of a casino player is much higher than a sportsbook, bingo, or poker player. So casino would be a good place to start. If you did want to focus on the sportsbook and sports betting side, popular niches include sports betting tips. Tipsters do well. You could produce an odds comparison site. There's various data feeds that will provide you with the live odds. Some of them are free. You can do it on a revenue share type basis, or you can get like a top of the range one for a couple of $1,000 a month. You could also focus on match previews on big events and such like, providing your opinions on the betting market. Anything that provides value for sports fans and bettors is received well by the customers. You could also try a hybrid type approach, like for instance, like Ask Gamblers or Gambling.com, where you focus on all of the different betting niches, but sometimes, particularly as a smaller and beginner affiliate, it's probably better to pick a very focused niche. For instance, slots games or live casino is a good start. But ultimately, it's probably best to start with something you're passionate about or familiar with, because then it makes the creation of content a lot easier